Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs. And today I'm here with, sorry about that, with a purchase from Amazon. I pre-trimmed the top part off. I tried to record this video once before, but kind of got cut off. So I'm here to redo it. So I've already opened one of them. So I'm going to go with this. Okay. Now they are binder rings and they come in different sizes as you see here. We have, whoops, 5 of these. That's the big one. I think that's like a 2-inch. And then we have, let me see. Sorry for all the noises. But I'm trying to get them all situated so I can give you the amounts that came for each one. We have this one is no good, as y'all can see. Nope. So we have, whoops, that's wrong. 5 of these, this size. They don't look too even to me, so we'll see. And let's see. We have 8 of these of this size. Oh, 9 of this size because one is right here, which is the lock part is not there. Then we have no 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 17 of this, 18 of this, whoops, of this size. Okay, so that's 18, 5, 5, 9, you got 20 of this size. Okay, so that's everything here. Here's the container it came in. Container came cracked. I don't know if it's because when they put it on my porch, if they broke it or not, but it does come packaged in the little plastic bags. I just took them out because I tried to shoot this video before and, you know, gel more. Here's the number, the SKU number, and the name of the item. I will put the links down below, down there in the description box. So again, everybody, these are binder rings, and I ordered them for a project that I'm working on with a friend. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down there and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload more content. Please be happy, be crafty, be kind, be loving, stay crafty, stay safe, and I will happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.